Hi, Scotty.
Hey.
What you doing?
Gonna put the new rotor on.
Oh, it showed up.
Yeah, later than planned.
Par for the course.
Right.
Par for the course. All right, you're gonna take care of that.
I'll at least get the rotor done before I call it a day, because I'm just...
But our regulator came.
Yep, regulator
It's not
came.
on yet.
Nope.
Scotty's gonna pull this in the morning. He'll finish this up.
Yep.
Should be up and running, I'd say by 9 or so.
Within that amount of time, yes.
And then
should
we'll
be,
get
yes.
this on the lift, I'd reckon.
Now you can kind of see. I don't know if you can focus in on that.
Ew. Icky poo. Zoom in. Ooh, there it is.
Yeah, that's kind of bad.
Yeah, that's kind of not good. All right, so that's out. New one going in.
This thing's gonna run so much better.
I know. Adam's gonna be so happy.
I really didn't think we were gonna find anything. I mean, he takes such great care of this car.
Yes. But things do wear. You know.
Oh, trust me, I know.
You're worn. You're worn out, aren't you?
Well, I wouldn't say I'm worn out. I'm just... No, I'm worn out.
High mileage.
Oh, definitely high mileage, to say the least.
Rode hard and put away wet.
Definitely been rode hard many a night.
Oh my God.
Hey, if you're gonna slap them out there, I'm gonna smack them home.
Exactly. All right, so new rotor's in.
I can't do the cap as of yet, because when I pull this off, this is all gonna come in one piece, so that stops me from putting this all back together.
So the
but
cap's gonna hang
this
out.
side is
This is all done.
way tighter than what it was when it came in.
It's all nice. It's all done. It's all pretty. All right. Looking good, Scotty.
So I'm hoping. I mean, we saved time by not having to rip the front end of the engine off.
Yeah.
I got really lucky when I figured that out. So that's kind of putting us in good
This
favor.
guy's...
Yeah, I've got it almost ready to come out.
Yeah,
I just got to
there.
get the clips and do some finagly and Yankee pull and whatever. And
Yankee pull.
yeah.
Is that something you guys do at the...
At the Rodidio.
At the what?
At the Rodidio.
Okie dokie.
The Rodeo.
Rodeo.
Or Rodeo.
Drive.
Depending on where you're living.
All right. So, to be continued.
Yes.
Mañana.
Mañana.
Alrighty, sir. Thank you.
Okay. I'm just going to make a pile of tools.
Yes, sir. You're going to set up your stuff. Hey, you got the regulator? I want to see the new regulator real quick. Regulators! Mount up.
Why's your parts on my parts?
Hold on, we're doing something. I only got one.
thought that was for you.
Fuel filters for this. Ooh, there it is. Brand new regulator. Yay.